Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me about your last job, your last work experience?
My
Hmm?
last work experience is in the office,
Hmm.
uh, making quotations to client as office sales, technical sales.
Okay. So, by the way, what is the nature of the business?
The business,
Yeah,
trading
it's
business.
trading. Okay. And how long you work there?
For almost 5 years.
Well, since you're here in UAE, I believe it's your first time here, and how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
1/8.
And what do you like to do most in the house, cleaning or babysitting?
Cleaning.
Cleaning. Okay.
Cleaning
And
and I'm fond also of caring children.
okay. And what type of food can you cook?
Usually I eat vegetarian food.
You're a vegetarian?
Yes.
Mm, okay. And just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What particular chemicals or products do you use to clean a toilet?
In the Philippines, I only use Sunrocks.
Okay. And this is in terms of babysitting. How do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Play with her
Mm-hmm.
and try to read books and then give her food.
Okay. And what are your hobbies, by the way?
Hobbies, reading books, magazines, and sometimes reading Bible.
Okay. And I know it's your first time here, as we mentioned earlier. It's your first time here in UAE. And how long do you want to work here? How many years you see yourself to be here?
Long. After 1 year, I want to renew another 1 year and another 1 year because I have to finance the schooling of my two boys. 3 to 5 years
Three to 5 years. Okay, good.
because my eldest son is only 15 years old now, so he still have 3 years in high school and another 4 years in college. So I need to finance them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, right. And do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer? I mean, to your employer, and why?
Yes, because I want to work hard and to earn money for my two sons.
Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.